Hello everyone, in this video we see the stage 3, that is polymerization and cross-linking of peptidoglycan. It occurs in 3 steps. First is transport to periplasm. The lipid 2 monomer unit is flipped from the inner leaflet to the outer side of the cytoplasmic membrane by a flippage. Second is glycan chain polymerization. In the periplasm, lipid 2 is polymerized into long glycan chains and the lipid carrier is recycled. Then peptide cross-linking. The peptide side chains attached to the glycan strands are cross-linked, forming the final rigid peptidoglycan that provide structural support to the cell wall. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.